peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll talk about Awkward Goat and her blue drum wala comment that she has done on her page and she has flexed about it. So we'll be talking about that, like she has done a very good job, like hitting back on the trolls and everything, and oh my god, it's like queen behavior. I mean, wow. I mean, people should be coming back with the things which trigger people, which normalizes murder, which normalizes the sensitive topics, and a psychologist should be doing that because she's the queen, she's a feminist, and she thinks that, oh my god, I have done such a great job. So we'll be talking about that because, oh my god. So, like 2 to 3 days back, I saw this post. I don't follow Awkward Goat, so I don't really know. So I follow this creator that is Kabir, and he posted this particular post on his Instagram, and I saw that. पहले मुझे लगा that it was fake, it was a joke or something like that, because to be honest, मैंने जब पढ़ा, I was like, no way, this can be real. Because मुझे बहुत, मतलब ये कैसे, like, how can someone say that? So I asked him, he said that you can go to her community page and you can see that. I went to her community page and I saw that. And normally I don't really comment on people's thing because, मुझे नहीं comment करना होता है. अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता है तो I just, go past that and I ignore. But in this case, I did it because I felt like I should do it. So I posted a comment on her community page, and after doing that, I went through her thread, the comment section. उस वाला thread में मैं गई, and people are actually normalizing RG Kaur rape case. People are normalizing this blue drum wala case. Some people are telling her, oh my god, you have given such a great reply. I mean, oh my god, queen behavior, feminism ki mata and all. Those things I saw on the comment section, and it actually got me thinking that, oh my god, what is happening? People have lost their mind. People are normalizing these things. मतलब normal comment section में people are saying you go to RG Kaur, तुम RG Kaur में जाओ, and people are normalizing rape, people are normalizing murders, and I am like, no way this can be real. And उस comment section में बहुत सारे लोग थे that pointed out that you are being insensitive about the situation, and I am like, she's a psychologist, and it baffles me. It actually baffles me. How can a psychologist react like that? I mean, she cannot take a criticism. This guy said that you are okay in Instagram, and she said that you are okay in blue drum. I mean, come on. मतलब comeback अगर देना है तो कुछ ढंग का comeback दे दो. ये कैसा comeback था? I mean, she has been criticized for the Atul Subhash case by creators like Shwetab, by creators like Glocus, and then after that उसका जो copyright strike का जो वो पूरा था वो तो है. She gave 2 copyright strikes to Shwetab, 1 copyright strike to Glocus. So I don't know. I mean, it's so weird. So मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना नहीं था, but I felt like I should because मुझे as a woman, I think I am मतलब to be honest, I feel like women in general are very emotional, and women in general understands people's emotions very easily because they are emotional creatures. But then ऐसा like ये, this is not feminism. To be honest, this is not feminism. If she doesn't know, she should really research what is feminism, because एक movement है, एक history है. You cannot just hate on a particular gender. Feminism is not that. You are not supposed to hate on the opposite gender. It is about equality. It is about equal rights. And I mean, मुझे भी नहीं पता है कि व्हाट इज फेमिनिज्म, बिकॉज इट इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च, लॉट ऑफ पीपल, मतलब बहुत लोगों ने सैक्रिफाइस किया है, जहां आज जाके मैं यहाँ खड़ी होके अपना ओपिनियन दे पा रही हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ फेमिनिज्म. सो जस्ट ये इस वर्ड को इतना, ये जो स्यूडो फेमिनिज्म है इतना मतलब खुले में यूज करते हैं, मतलब आई एम अ फेमिनिस्ट, आई सपोर्ट फेमिनिज्म. डू यू इवन नो व्हाट इज फेमिनिज्म? डू यू इवन नो व्हाट इज फेमिनिस्ट? Like what? You don't know anything. So just be very mindful about these kind of situations where you are normalizing these kind of stuff, because you're a public figure, you are putting your opinion onto the public, you're a psychologist, so I think you should be mindful about these kind of things. So yeah, I just wanted to say this because I felt like I should, because मुझे बहुत ये चीज़ बहुत मुझे like hit किया, to be honest, personally. That's why I made this video. So I'll again try to be consistent on the long format, because I know I'm not consistent on the long format. And do let me know in the comments what are your thoughts, and be respectful about it. No hate towards anyone. This is a very open like this is a very open video where I am not hitting on her. I am just giving my opinion, what I feel, and that's it. And do be very respectful in the comment section if you want to give out comments, because मैंने अपने comment section में देखा है तू तड़ाक लोग कर देते हैं, and I don't like that, to be honest. Like respect अगर तुमको चाहिए तो be respectful about it. And do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts, and do comment and what do you think about this particular situation. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.